your mind to something, you can do it. It's not impossible. And same thing with the physical aspect. If you work hard at it, you can do it. So this is the front of Space Station. You can go multiple different directions. That gives you an idea of how big the space is. Down on the shuttle, this is shuttle mid-decks. That's usually where the shuttle crew, that's where we'll exercise, we sleep, we eat. If you don't work for something, then it's probably not going to give you much satisfaction at the end. And if you follow your passion, follow your dreams, you're going to have a story to tell. And in 20, 30 years, you can be standing up here sharing with the next generation what your dreams were.